You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. There are more videos for you want to listen to. In English, it's generally pronounced as Jezelle. Jezelle. Some may say it also as Jezelle. Generally, it says Jezelle. It's a different alternate spelling to G-I at the beginning. Some may spell it G-I-S, Jezelle. Pronounced Jezelle. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.